So in today's video, I will show you how to enhance your voice with the new NVIDIA Studio Voice. So first, we need to go to the NVIDIA Broadcast and download the app. Also remember, for this to work, you need an RTX video card. So if you have a GTX or AMD video card, this won't work for you. So now let's go to the installing process. Here we click on continue. Now we select the express installation. And now we just wait to the installing process. As you can see, once it's finished installing, the app will open by itself. And now here we can see these tips. We can close this. And also don't forget that to make your microphone sound with these effects, you need to select the NVIDIA Broadcast mic and not your default mic. So keep that in mind. And here we need to enable this setting, Studio Voice. Once we enable this, now we have to select the NVIDIA Broadcast mic and we'll have the effects for the Studio Voice. If you like the video, leave a like and subscribe. See you next time.